Okay, people, we're back at it on the loader again today, and this time we're going for this monstrous pile of motors here. I don't know if we'll get them all in or not. We're gonna see. Kind of hard to judge in a pile like this. We're gonna start loading, see how far we get, see how much it ends up weighing and how much it's worth. Alrighty then. I think I underestimated things once again. I think I got half the pile done. Hard to tell though, that might not have even been quite half. I think it was half though. And this trailer is jam-packed as far as weight goes. I don't have a good gauge on motors as far as like counting how many and what they would weigh, but I was told a Gaylord full was around 2,500 pounds, and I'm thinking we got 3 or 4 Gaylords in here, so we're again at max. If that estimate is right, we are maxing out this trailer once again. But we're gonna find out tomorrow morning when we bring it in.